Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. Our host is Anna from Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. Today is a very special collaboration. It is Debby Bubble's birthday. So please go over to the playlist and check out everyone's decor for Tablescape Tuesday's birthday celebration for Debby. Now I'm going to start off with these fresh pink hydrangeas that I just cut this morning from my garden and place them in a really pretty pink vase. Aren't they gorgeous? And then I added this love sign because we all love Debby Bubbles. And I added these pink butter mints to the candy dishes. And we also are going to have ice cream and cupcakes. And I also have 4 candles, 2 pink, 2 white. Here's a close-up of the ice cream scoops, which is faux from Amazon, as is the cupcakes. It amazes me how realistic these look. And I'm using a scarf as a table runner. Because I didn't have anything black or pink as far as a table runner, but I thought it worked out really good. Looks nice. What do y'all think? I was so excited to put this together because Debby is such a sweet lady and I wanted to do up a very nice birthday table for her. Here's a close-up of the cupcake with a little cookie and a little strawberry on top. And here is the dessert plate, which is really pretty. It's got a pinkish pink pansy on top. The dinner plate is black. I'd gotten those at the Dollar General. And then these chargers I ordered off of Amazon. They're kind of a pinkish gold color. So I thought that made for a really nice table setting. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. And I also want to give a big happy birthday to Debby. Enjoy your special day. Bye-bye for now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today's your birthday. I'm very happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Today is very good, good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today's your birthday. I'm very happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Today is very good, good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. I'm very happy, happy birthday. Today's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today